Lesson 1. Young Enough to Change the World. Chapter 1. Teens in Action. Many young people are making the world a better place. For example, Carter and Olivia Rice have become leaders in saving animals. Although they are only teenagers, they have actually made a difference in the world. How are they able to do that? Let's hear from Carter. Chapter 2. Teens in Action. When I was 5, my little sister Olivia and I each adopted a cheetah. Did we raise cheetahs at home? No, we donated to a charity that protects wild cheetahs in South Africa. Our parents told us that if we did not protect them, we might not be able to see cheetahs in the near future. We soon became interested in helping other endangered animals. A few years later, with help from our parents, we created a non-profit organization to protect them. We wanted the next generation to be able to see these animals, so we named our organization One More Generation. We also studied endangered animals and educated our friends about them. Chapter 3. Teens in Action. Then one day, a terrible oil spill occurred in the Gulf of Mexico. A lot of sea animals were completely covered with oil, and they were dying. We had to do something. We started collecting animal rescue supplies such as pet carrying cages and rubber gloves from everyone in our neighborhood. 4 months later, our family drove to the Gulf of Mexico to deliver what we collected and help to save the animals. While we were working there, we learned something very useful. When we put mayonnaise into a turtle's throat, the turtle threw up. That way, we were able to get oil out of turtles. I never knew mayonnaise could be used to save animals. Chapter 4. Teens in Action. On our last day, we met a marine life specialist. She told us that plastic waste is more dangerous to sea animals than oil spills are. A lot of sea animals and sea birds die from eating plastic waste. After we came home, we created an educational project about how to reduce plastic waste. In addition to this, our organization continues to do various projects to save animals. Although we started small, we are making a big difference. What you do today can change the world, so take that first step.